Hi, my name is Joanna. About a week ago, I had the opportunity to attend Ruben Gorjian's off-camera flash workshop in Portland, Oregon. I'm in my garden right now and I'm feeling pretty comfortable alone with my camera here. But before I went to this workshop, I was nervous. I was terribly nervous, and I thought, oh my gosh, I am completely out of my league. I have no idea where I'm going. I have no knowledge of off-camera flash. But what the hey, I'm going to go anyway. So I looked up Ruben's site and I saw his incredible photos, and I thought, you know what, I really want to study under a photographer that takes pictures like that. I have nothing to lose. So I went to the the off-camera flash workshop, and Ruben quickly put me at ease. He's very kind to all of his students, took time to answer their questions, and he also asked us questions that help foster our critical thinking skills when it came to analyzing photos, looking at the quality of light, where the light is coming from, and set up your picture carefully before you take it. I went away having made new friends and contacts, but I think the thing that I got more than anything else was a sense of confidence that I can learn this, and I really want to further my photography journey. I also want to get an off-camera flash thing now and start doing all of that. I don't sound very intelligent right now, but I took some really incredible photos at the workshop that I'm pretty proud of. So if you ever get an opportunity to go to one of Ruben's photography workshops, I encourage you to do so. I think you'll have a lot of fun and you will learn something that you never thought you would. I know that if I have another opportunity, I definitely am going to go. See you next time, Ruben. Bye-bye.
Bring it back, and then bring the knee close to the other one. So like this, bring it back, bring the toe back, bring the knee close to the other one. Now push your butt out, out. Bring your upper body forward. So you see what she's doing? Now she's bringing her upper body forward. Open your shoulder. And with that hand, just feel your thigh. Go back. And this one as well. Enhance the curve, the bending. So you see how she's like having the S. So if you go down, you're gonna see the
fairy tale.
I'm so glad I don't have
so
Oh my god.
Like a fairy tale.
It is.
Just beautiful.
Do you want me to move the stand so I can hold it up?
No, I can. That's fine. It's windy, so everything's gonna be pushed back. So you see how I shape her body now? She just